A door stands open. No lock, no guard. No one telling you which way to go. And yet, you freeze, not from danger, from the sheer weight of possibility. That feeling has a name. Kierkegaard called it the dizziness of freedom. The Danish philosopher wrote that anxiety is not the fear of something specific. It is the fear of nothing at all, or rather, the fear of everything at once. When a cliff edge appears, we feel a strange pull, not toward death, but toward the terrifying awareness that we could jump. We won't, but we could. That awareness, that vertigo of pure possibility, is what he meant. Freedom does not liberate us cleanly. It unsettles us first. The Bhagavad Gita knows this moment well. Arjuna stands on the battlefield, bow in hand, and cannot move, not because he lacks courage, because he sees every possible consequence branching before him like rivers splitting into the sea. The Gita calls this paralysis not weakness, but the natural trembling of a soul that has glimpsed the full weight of choice. Krishna does not remove the choice. He teaches Arjuna how to hold it without being crushed by it. The Stoics named a similar trap: the mind that exhausts itself, rehearsing every branch of a decision before taking a single step. Marcus Aurelius wrote to himself again and again to return to the present action, not the imagined 1,000 futures. The one thing in front of you now. Buddhism offers a quieter image. A monk stands at a crossroads in the forest. Both paths lead somewhere. The suffering is not in the paths. It is in standing still, imagining wolves on each one. You have felt this. The job offer, the relationship, the city you almost moved to. The longer you stared, the heavier it became. Here is what the ancient voices agree on. The dizziness is not a sign that you are choosing wrong. It is a sign that you are free. And freedom, like standing at the edge of a mountain, asks something of you before it gives anything back. It asks you to breathe, to act, and to release the need to know how it ends. The practice is simple, though not easy. When the vertigo comes, name it aloud. Say, "This is the dizziness of freedom." Then ask only one question. What is the smallest honest step I can take right now? Not the perfect step, not the final step, just the next one. The path reveals itself only to feet that are moving. If this brought you a moment of stillness, subscribe and walk this path with us. The open door was never the problem. It was always the standing still, mistaking the wind for a warning.